welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get pulled into a TV screen using Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First of all, you're going to sign in to Pippit AI website. Then you will get free credits, and then you're going to go to the home menu, select image, and you're going to add your prompt and also your photo. I'm going to choose a random photo from my device. For instance, this one. Wait, guys. This one. I'm using my idle photo. And then after the photo has been uploaded, we're going to submit the prompt and also the photo to the AI. Alright, and I'm going to click on this submit button and just hold on, guys. The AI will generate the photo according to your prompt. Okay, guys, and these are the results. Wow, it's so cool. And I'm going to choose one of them. I think I'm gonna go with this one. And we can click on download. And I'm going to choose without Pippit Watermark. And if you're not satisfied with the result, you can always try again. Click on try again right here, and the AI will regenerate the photos for you. Okay, guys, and that's how you can get pulled into a TV screen using Pippit AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you, and if you want to try it yourself, you can click the Pippit AI join link on my YouTube description and try to make any photo or video that you want. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!